Yes, I do forgive family and God, who I do it for. Walking through the fire like I seen it all come before. They taught me how to rise, even when I thought I couldn't though. Things in my past left it there, sitting on the floor. My God is always here. Through the dark, I know the light will show. It's another year, that's a thing to be grateful for. I was different from my peers, knew my spirit was destined